So I welcome you all to the session where we are going to learn few tips from one of the success stories of DBMCI with Dr. Saida Farheen. She has secured 178 marks in recent FMG exams. And yes, her journey will be enlightening for all the aspirants who are going to give future exams, future FMG exams. So all over to you, Dr. Saida. Please
Uh,
enlighten us about your preparation journey and about yourself.
I would first like to thank all the teachers who always supported us. And for the journey purpose, I have to say is I usually started my preparation from my first year of the MBBS. Not completely, although I have to say, like big subjects like surgery, medicine, obstetrics, gynecology, and PSM. I have started these subjects during my fifth year. And after coming, I have joined some coaching and from DBMCI, I have did question bank. I have called the question bank was wonderful from DBMCI. So the question bank, the GP from all the different sources were very useful for me actually, and solving MCQs were very helpful for me actually. I have to say.
Okay, okay. So there is a role of giving GTs the tests.
Yeah.
So what is the
Uh,
purpose of those tests? What do you feel?
sir, I didn't get you.
What is the purpose of giving tests? What is the best output
Oh,
of?
giving tests will show you where you stand, and it will show you what you are doing wrong in. For example, I have done so many mistakes. It was not uh, very much easy for me because at the beginning I didn't get good marks actually. Then I gradually built up marks. So that's why GTs are very helpful to know how is your progress. Progress is very important to know
Okay.
during
So
GTs.
what were the subjects which troubled you?
Trouble me was medicine actually. I have to say medicine was a bit tricky actually, and all the rest of the subjects were good. And even surgery was a bit difficult for me. Surgery and medicine was a bit difficult.
Okay.
Remaining subjects were
So
good.
while giving the actual exam paper,
Yes.
what was your thought process going inside your mind? Ki, how did you attempt those questions?
Actually, I was completely shocked by seeing the question paper because it was a bit different than what it used to be.
Yeah.
It was not so clinical based. It was moreover like one-liner kind of questions more this time, and
Mhm.
picture based were not much, and PYQs were also not much. So I was like, oh, what is this? What is going on in this? But there were so many topics I knew and so many topics I studied, so it was a bit easier to
Okay.
answer.
So how do you find the FMT subject questions?
Uh, I can say more than moderate, nearly a hard, sir. It was not easy, I
It
have to
they were
say.
the options were framed in a tricky way.
Yes, sir. Even though we know some topics, the options made us so confused that we think ourselves that did we even study this topic properly?
So this paper was like a pre-rehearsal for your upcoming NEET PG exams, which you will be
Yes,
preparing. Yes.
yes, sir, sure. It
So this was your
almost,
first, and that is the best thing. In the first attempt, you
uh,
have cleared the exams.
yes, sir. And I'm
So
so happy that by God's grace, by teachers' grace, by parents' grace, it went well.
wonderful to clear the exam in one go, na? Now
Mm,
you will be working for your future exams, future
yes,
aspirations.
yes, sir.
Exactly. So any message for your colleagues and juniors who are in the preparation phase?
I want to tell to my colleagues who didn't pass all the best for upcoming FMG. No need to be tense. Just forget about this FMG and prepare for next FMG. And all the wishes the FMG aspirants who have passed, and to my juniors, prepare hard and solve as many as MCQs as possible, and teachers will guide you well.
And in case of any distraction, how did you manage those distractions of during the preparation?
Turning off the mobile phone and
Just
locking
turn
of
off the
all
mobile phone, keep yourself
that.
away from social media.
Yeah. And if you're using a tab or laptop, don't install any other app except your coaching app, no other app.
No other apps. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Exactly,
And
exactly.
maybe joining some Telegram channels may help because there are
Ah,
some,
clarify your doubts. Doubt clarification
yeah,
is to be done. Yes.
yeah, yes, sir.
So it's wonderful. It's wonderful that you have clicked your exams in one go. And many,
Thank
many congratulations on behalf of whole DBMCI family. We all are very proud of you. And may God
thank you,
bless you
sir.
for your future efforts and lots of success to you in your future.
Thank you so
So
much,
stay positive and keep on doing wonders like this.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
That's it.